Good morning, everyone. This is a video on how to use LucidChart. If you click on login with Google or sign up with Google, that is the easiest way to log in. Your dashboard is right here. You click on your blank document. And there's also an app and a Google extension. I always go to new document because then it gives you a list of all the things that you can do. So if you click on floor plan, click on blank floor plan, that is how you can plan your office. You can add walls, rooms, doors, windows. For funsies today, I'm going to drag the L-shaped room onto my workspace, and I am going to color it yellow because yellow is a happy color and I want my room to be happy. So I'm going to put a door in. Let's say the door opens that way. You can also switch it to go inward, and you can also mess with the scale and the units if you wish. You can also add stairs, desks, cubicle walls, and furniture. And I'm going to make a cozy book nook in the corner. So I'm going to drag my chair there. I'm going to fill in a color to match. I'm also going to drag a table here. You can also expand or shrink the size of the table. I really like this because you can also seamlessly integrate it to Google Classroom. So if you are a G Suite school like we are, you can seamlessly integrate this. You can also share and present it. You can also import your own images and import your own files by clicking this image right here. So if you scroll down, you can see all the features that your office floor plan has. You can also integrate some technology into your plan. Okay, so if you click on shapes, you can browse other libraries. And you can do a bunch of downloads, etc. Okay, so that is LucidChart in a nutshell. So thank you so much for listening.